How's everybody doing today, tonight, this morning, whatever time you're watching this? How are you doing? So I'm starting out my new channel today. I filmed this Valentine's Day get ready with me glam look, showing you all the steps of how I did this makeup here. It's really nice and super fun and glammy. If you like that glam side of makeup and you want to look fierce and bold, I feel like this is definitely the makeup look for you. But if you're more simplistic and you don't like wearing a lot of makeup, you can definitely modify this look. Yeah, this look is super simple and easy to do. It took me quite a while just because I was filming. Like as you'll see in the beginning of this video, it was like daylight outside and now it's like nighttime. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this look. If you do, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more of my face, please go ahead and subscribe down below. All the products will be listed on the screen as well as in the description box below, so if you missed something, just go down there and check, or just rewind the video and it'll be there. I hope you dolls have an amazing day. As I like to say, stay blessed, stay positive, and do good things. Be great, be successful, and be you in anything that you do, because nobody is greater than you. Nobody's better than you, and nobody knows you better than you. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's get into the look. Hi my loves. So first we're going to start off with a bit of tea, because you know your girl loves her some tea. And then we're going to go ahead and prime our eyes with the Maybelline Better Skin Concealer in the shade Deep. I already did my eyebrows off camera. If you want an eyebrow tutorial, comment down below and I'll get on that ASAP. The reason why I prime my eyes with concealer is because I want to avoid creasing, as well as I want to have a lighter shade underneath my eyeshadows to make my eyeshadows pop. So after we're done blending out our eyeshadow, I'm going to go ahead and set it with the Sacha Buttercup powder. I love this powder because it keeps my face, not only my face, but my eyelids super matte, because I do have oily eyelids. Moving along to eyeshadow, I'm going to take the Define Me shade from the Morphe 39A palette and pop this into my crease using a very fluffy brush. This is going to act as my transition shade for the following colors to come, since I am doing a a halo smoky eye cut crease. I want the shadows to be blown out, so I'm going to take a lot of time blending these shadows.
Going overboard, I don't wanna stop now. You just struck a chord, spinning me around. It's the energy, it's the chemistry. Oh. Give me something that I never had. Give me something that...
So I'm finally done blending my crease after like 5 minutes. I'm gonna go into the Huda Beauty Warm Obsessions palette. I'm gonna take that second shade on the top row, and I'm gonna take the same brush and basically apply it right under where I applied my transitional shade. This is gonna act as deepening the crease as well as giving the crease a little bit of warmth. Adding some color to the look. I'm going to be taking the shade Create from the Morphe 39A palette. I'm going to be placing this in the outermost and innermost corners of my eye, as well as right below the two transitional shades that we just did. This is going to add the pop of color that we want for our look. This is a beautiful pink shade. I'm also going to be placing this right below in the crease as well. I'm going to place the colors first before blending them out, just because I want the pigment to be there and bold, and then I'm going to go ahead and blend out very carefully. Now to deepen up the look even more, I'm going to be taking the shades Passionate and Forever, mixing those two together and putting those once again where I put the Create shade on the innermost and outermost corners of my eye. I'm going to keep these more in a defined spot using a pencil brush. I don't know the name of this brush, just because I've used them so much that I've worn off the lettering and the numbering. So I'm going to place these shadows specifically where I want them. I'm not going to blend them out too much, just because I don't want the shadows to fade away. mentioned this before, but make sure you blend out your shadows as you go with a clean blending brush or the shade that you used previously, just to make sure all the shades they blend well together and they look seamlessly and beautifully amazing. I also cut my crease off camera just because it was so difficult to do it on camera with the angles. And then I went in the Zulu by Juvia's Place palette, took that pinkish beautiful shade with gold reflects in it and popped it on the center of my eyelid. So now I'm going to go ahead and prime my face using the NYX Angel Veil primer as well as the Hard Candy Coconut Water primer. Not only do these primers work well individually, but together they're just bomb.com. Leave my face feeling so silky smooth, and the coconut water primer is very hydrating and it feels so cold when you put it on. So next I'm gonna go ahead and apply some lashes. These are the Huda Beauty lashes in Scarlett number 8. I love them so much.
You know how I like it when you loving on me. I don't want to back for them to miss me. I guess I see the things that they be wishing on me. I hope I got some sisters that outlive me. They gon' tell the story, she was different with me. God's plan, God's plan. I hold back sometimes I won't.
I'm gonna go with my hands down favorite foundation. This is the Sephora 12-Hour Wear Foundation in the shade Deep. You guys, let me just tell you, this foundation is bomb.com. I wore my face for New Year's, so like 4 o'clock in the afternoon till 6 a.m. that next day. You guys, amazing. And then I'm going to mix it with the Makeup Revolution Liquid Bronze Gold highlighter. This is a liquid highlighter, so I just drop it in and mix it up. My foundation looks so pretty. My face afterwards looks so smooth and silky and illuminated from within. It just looks like I'm a glowing goddess, and I love it.
Tell him only partly. I only love my bed and my mama. I'm sorry. Betty Dub, I even got it tatted on me. 81, the dog when crashes to the party. Michael Ton is G.O.D. Yeah, wait. I go hard on Sacha G. Yeah, wait. I make sure that knows I did. Yeah. Still, what's up? Bad things. There's a lot of bad things that they wish and they wish and they wish and they wish. They wishing, 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 they wishing it on me. God's plan. It's been a minute since we kicked it. You've been caught up. Bad thing. With them bitches, I don't get.
For my concealer, I'm going to go in with the Sephora Bright Future Concealer in the shade Dolce de Leche. This shade is more so my skin color just because I don't like a super bright highlight anymore. I used to do that way back in the day, you know, when I first started makeup, but I just like my highlight to look naturally lit rather than just ghosty pale white. Now I do mix in the Maybelline Superstay concealer, the one I used earlier to prime, just to brighten it a bit because it is Valentine's Day. Why not, you know, go big or go home. So I apply the concealer, the bridge of my nose, under my eyes, my cupid's bow, my chin, and my forehead just a tad bit. And then I'm going to go ahead and pounce the shades in with a beauty blender, and I don't want to smudge it, so I don't want to swipe away my concealer or my foundation underneath. I just want everything to look smoothly pounced together and blended together. Was at this moment I knew I fucked up. My camera had died, so I set my face off camera using the Mercier Dark Translucent Powder as well as the Makeup Revolution Luxury Baking Powder. So next I'm going to go ahead and bronze my face up, give me a little bit of warmth with the shade Evolve from the Morphe 39A palette. I absolutely love the shade. I think it is a shadow, but I'm going to use it as a face product today because it just looks super great on my skin tone. I'm going to bronze around my cheekbones, my temple, my jawline, under my lips, just to make sure my lips look plumper and fuller because you know I got them small ass lips. And then I'm going to go ahead with a darker shade and a more dense and defined brush. I believe it's from MAC. I don't know the number. I believe 127, but correct me if I'm wrong. I'm just going to go over the places I did before with a deeper shade. This is the Huda Beauty's that brown shade in the Warm Obsessions palette. So next I'm going to be going in with my favorite part highlighter using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit. I'm going to use the shade Sunray and Amber Gold. Pop this on the highest points of my cheekbones, the bridge of my nose, Cupid's bow, chin, and above my forehead. You know the whole deal. So then we're going to go in with our lip products. The first product I'm using is the NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner in the shade Club Hopper, as well as the NYX Liquid Suede liquid lipstick in the shade Brooklyn Thorn. On top of that, using the Kiss Egoism matte velvet lipstick in the shade London Fog, and then just apply a little bit of gloss on top by Soap and Glory. So next we're going to apply our blusher. This is the Milani Baked Blush in the shade Red Vino. Chocolate girls, this is definitely the blush for you. It's super pretty with gold reflex on it. It just makes it look like I'm just glowing. And then we're going to set our face with the Hard Candy 12-Hour Wear Setting Spray. I know Valentine's Day is right around the corner and we want to get all cute and glam for our boos, whoever we're going out with. It may be a friend or whatever. So we're definitely not going to wear just a plain old sweater and our hair back in some, braids. But if you're comfortable with that, then hey, you do you. So I'm going to go ahead and change, and 1, 2, wait for it, boom. That was mad corny, but you know what? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys loved the look. I definitely enjoyed filming this video for you guys. It was something new for me. It was challenging, but in the end, it was worth it. And I hope I helped inspire you guys to create a look of your own. I hope you dolls and gents enjoyed this video as much as I did filming it for you guys. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my page. Leave some comments down below of what looks you want to see next or any feedback you have for me. Thank you guys for watching. I love you. Mwah. Happy Valentine's Day.